good day to you all. Very happy to see you again and again. And thanks for your support for this Sardaji Jokes series. Today we are going to see part 7. As usual, already I have mentioned in my all parts 1 to 6. This is just for laugh and fun purpose only, not to hurt any Sardajis. Okay, today also 5 jokes we are going to see. The first joke. Sardaji's friend in ICU. Sardaji was very worried, so he visited in the hospital. He sit in the chair, look at him. His friend was sleeping. He go very near and look at his face. Suddenly, his friend opened the eyes and difficult to breathe. Sardaji was very worried. His friend wanted to say something, but he couldn't speak. So he asked the paper and pen something. I want to tell you something, convey the message. So Sardaji was thinking, maybe he wanted to write will, because he's going to be in the difficult situation. So he wanted to write the will. So he was thinking. So he gave the paper and pen. He's writing. Halfway, he died. Sardaji was very worried. He informed to his family. So all they came, he brought and do the funeral ceremonies, everything. Then 2 days later, Sardaji went to his friend's family and he met the friend's wife. It's very worried about my friend, that's your husband has passed away. No worries. Forgot to tell you, I have one paper. Before he died, he write, I think will, because I never open and see also. It's privacy, so I cannot see myself. That's why I just keep myself. Now I wanted to give you. Then his wife is very excited. Yeah, give me. What he want to tell, I want to read. So once he read, she was faint. Sardaji don't understand why she faint after she read it. Then he took the paper and read. His friend wrote the letter, say that, Sardaji, please remove your leg from the oxygen tube. Actually, Sardaji, so eager, wanted to see his face. So near he came, he stepped in the oxygen to his nose, the tube he stepped in. That's why he difficult to breathe in. So he asked to remove the leg, but Sardaji went to interview. He was sitting with many people, but Sardaji was thinking, I'm the one is more knowledgeable here, everyone. So everybody turns come in, they call, then they went inside a conference room to meet the officer for the interview. At the same time, Sardaji name also, they call, go inside, very pride, the way he go inside. They ask the question, also a name, where you born. Then the Sardaji said that, I born in Czechoslovakia. Then the interviewer sing, can you spell the place name, Czechoslovakia? Then Sardaji was laughing and very shy. He said that, sorry. I was born in Punjab. Third joke. Sardaji traveled in the train. He was so tired, but he wanted to sleep. But another 2 hours he need to get down. But the train is going a long trip. Further also the train is going other places also. So he scared to sleep because he will miss his station. So he see one guy very quiet, he's sitting. He called the guy, I give you 100 rupees. You don't sleep. 2 hours later, this station will arrive. Please you wake me up. Then the person said, okay, can. Then Sadaji was so tired, he was sleeping so good. That person really is a hairdresser. So he's very poor. He wanted the money, so he accepted. Even though he accepted the 100 rupees, his mind said that it's too much lah. It's a timely help, but why he accept the 100 rupees? He asked himself. Then he wanted to do something good for the Sardarji. He only knows cut only, and he looked at the Sardarji, so much of the beard. So he decided to shave. So he shaved, clean shave. Sardarji wouldn't know. He was so tired sleeping. 2 hours later, the station came. He wake up. Sardarji, this is your station. Sardarji said thank you. Then he hurry, he went to the home, took shower. After that, he saw the mirror. He saw different person because he removed everything, shaved everything. Then immediately he scolded that guy. Alamak, this guy, in the hurry, he let other people to drop this station. See, now the other person came to my house. He was thinking this is the other person. After shave, he couldn't realize he himself. Fourth joke. Sardarji wanted to marry. So next week his engagement. So his girlfriend said that next week our engagement, you know right? Then he said yes. Okay, you must give me during the engagement ring, don't forget. Then the Sardarji said, definitely I will give you the ring, no worries. Then he asked, before that I want to ask you, what kind of ring you want? He never complete. The girl thinking maybe he want to design all these things. She was very happy. Then the Sardarji continued, you want to give the ring through landline or through mobile line? Which one you prefer? The girl was faint. Now we are going for fifth joke, last joke. Finally, Sardarji convinced the girlfriend to get married. But his family was refused the marriage. But he wanted to marry the girl. So they planned, tomorrow you come to register marriage we are going to do, come to the office. Then Sardarji said, okay, morning 9 o'clock sharp I come. So the girlfriend waited at the register office. The whole day Sardarji never come. That day night, as usual, Sardarji and his girlfriend meet one place. So they meet. The place Sardarji came. The girlfriend was so angry, anointed. She asked, why you never come the whole day? Sardarji was very frustrated then the girlfriend. I also want to ask you, why you never come? I was there. Sardarji said, I also was there. Where you went there? She asked, the girlfriend asked the Sardarji. He said, I was waiting at the post office. Post office? Why? Because you tell me you need to do the register marriage. That's why I want to register the marriage in the post office. That's why I waited for that. Really, the girlfriend was very frustrated and faint. Hope you enjoy the 5 jokes. Weekend is coming on the way. So enjoy the weekend, relax, don't think too much, just enjoy the moment. See you in part 8 next week.